Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resync error code UPC-R2. So here's what you're gonna do. First, go to search, type in settings. Now go to privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. Now go to protection history, and here you wanna check if it's blocking the Assassin's Creed here. So if this file is related to your game or to loader 64, you want to let it allow it. Now if it's not here on the list, the next thing you want to do is, so you want to go to virus and threat protection and then click manage and scroll all the way down to exclusions and click add exclusions. Now here you want to add exception, which is a folder. Now you wanna go to your PC and click here search, type in Steam library, and you wanna open it. Now go to Steam apps, common, and then you wanna find Assassin's Creed, select it, and then add the folder to the exclusions list. After you added it to the exclusions list, you wanna exit out of this. And if this doesn't help, the next thing you wanna do is open back the file explorer. Click here, Steam library, or type in Steam library, find your Steam game and go to Steam apps, common, find the Assassin's Creed. Now here you'll have either one of these two, either the nouveau or no DVD folder. You want to open this, and whichever has like stuff inside it, you want to copy it and simply paste it here. Then you want to restart your PC and that should fix your issue. So you want to do either one, whichever one has. If you have the nouveau folder, then you copy from it. If you have the no DVD, you want to copy from it and simply paste it here and then restart the PC and then relaunch the game. And that should fix the issue. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced UPC R2 loader 64 not found. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.